I might get like a lot of cancer from it, but like the 5 minutes
Is
of
that
totally
yeah, for real?
wastedation is totally worth it. Like I'm about to get posterior cancer, lung cancer, brain cancer, right big toe cancer,
Mm-hmm.
skin cancer,
Blood cancer.
skin cancer, skin cancer.
We do not care.
Like,
Wait, how long are your toes?
like you wanna peek at the dogs real quick?
Mine are 5 inches. I can go on basketballs with them.
Oh, you wanna peek at the dogs real quick? They're a little bit crusty. They're a little bit crusty.
Ooh.
Got those Long John Silvers, you know what I'm saying?
I'll get peanut butter out of those.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Long John Silvers here. I hope you enjoy the video. Kiss your mom for me and say hi to your grandma. Leave a like and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
Hey.
Bro. Wait, you're not a bro. Wait, what?
Are you smart?
Not really.
Oh. Okay. Is your name Tony?
They're great! No, I'm not Tony the Tiger.
What's your name?
My name
Yeah.
is Bartholomew Jaquavius III.
Oh.
And I smoke batteries from Walmart and get high off of them.
No, he could just got my card number.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flames Real Taste.
Don't worry, I was recording.
Oh my goodness. She's on Discord.
Yeah. You wanna hit?
No, thank you.
Good answer.
Oh my god.
Dad?
Look how hot this guy is, man. Look how hot this guy is, man.
Bro!
Nice. Robin?
You look like you would wipe peanut butter on a dog and then just lick it all up.
I would.
Exactly, bro. Oh, bro. Dude, mine's better, bro.
Shut up, you
Bro.
Oh,
Battery acid infused, dog.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Can you ghost on that thing?
And baked beyond belief.
Guess not. Faded as fuck. You're a fucking pendulum.
hello?
Hello.
What's good, bro?
Yo.
What do you mean by that? Yo, can you hit me with a hee hee ha? Hee hee ha.
Hee-hee-ha.
Like the clash of clash. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Arr. 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 Dude, it's so perfect, bro. Hey, thanks, man.
Hee-hee-ha.
Appreciate it, bro. So yeah, there was really nothing said during this interaction, but this kid was playing some, like, pretty sure copyrighted music at like 12 million volume. I'm shocked he didn't get a noise complaint, but yeah, I'm just gonna explain something real quick. It's really simple. His body fat percentage is too high, so he can't really make the Giga Chad face properly, so he just started getting really zesty. I don't know. My booty hole is Chinese, bro. Hello?
That's awesome.
Dude,
That's brilliant.
Dude, that guy said he's Chinese, so I said my booty hole is Chinese, but then he skipped me like right before I started talking.
Yeah, no, that's great, man.
So then you got the booty hole being Chinese.
Yeah. Yeah, what about it is Chinese?
Well,
Like, what part of it? What makes it Chinese?
the shit that got crusted on there like was partially Chinese food. So
Okay, yeah, no, that adds up.
like the actual butthole is not really Chinese, but the the
But it
crust.
like adds on to it, and like so it's more Chinese than not Chinese. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Like the
no, I get
crusty
it, I get
brown
it.
stuff. I mean, that works. What's good, bro? You're not a bro. Bro. Yo, is that Fortnite? Is that Fortnite? Hello? Bro, you're dog shit, bro. I could 1v1 me, bro. 1v1 me right now, bro. You're trash, kid. Yo, hello?
What's good?
Yo, can you hit me with a, Schmitty stinks real quick?
Schmitty stinks.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. You don't know what?
Sure.
We're creating a movement at school, and, Schmitty stinks.
Who's Schmitty?
Stinky. That's all.
He
That's
stinks,
all.
but fuck Schmitty, man.
Bro, fuck Schmitty, bro. Please tell me you don't stink, bro, because that man...
What do you do?
Bro, he reeks, dude. I don't think you could probably...
Give him some of this shit, man.
Dude, we've told him to take
This
a
on me,
shower
this on me.
before, and...
This is for my boy Schmitty.
Yeah, bro, he needs... I don't think that could help him. Like,
Oh, God.
one day, bro... Okay,
Bro, tell
so...
him to go for a shower.
Dude, you could probably tell him to take a shower, and he'd probably say, "What's a shower?" Like, that's what would go down.
Jimmy Savile is always watching you.
Okay,
And now I'm gonna cast a spell on you before you go.
do it. Come to my house, cast it to me here. Like, fight me. What is the spell gonna do? Like, am I gonna, like, die? Am I gonna, like...
No, you're not gonna die. Jimmy Savile's just gonna come for you.
Good! Tell that bitch to come after me, bro. These fools, bro.
Where are you from?
I'm from, USA, bro. South Dakota, man.
I'm from Mississippi.
Wait, what?
My friend's from Mississippi.
Dude, that's crazy. Where are you from, though?
I'm from South Dakota.
No, you're not, bro.
What do you mean?
You wanna know how I know you're not from South Dakota? Because there's like, what, like 6.3 people who live here, and you are not one of them. Not you. You don't live here, bro. Yo, hello?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
This guy.
What's up? Your parents are disappointed in you, aren't they? That's
Her
why.
dad went to...
That's why. You know why? It's because when somebody says, "What's up?" you said this guy. That's why your parents are disappointed. No other reason, just that.
It's okay. You made her cry.
We do not care.
That's too far.
We do not care.
Who did you? Yeah, especially with that deep.
Like, seriously, stop. I'm gonna get any bitches with that.
I look what?
Stop wanking off your...
Okay.
I'm just saying, if my kid ever says that, I am putting them back. I'm putting them back.
Is that? Oh shit! What is that? Who you fighting?
You need to leave.
Another fatherless child.
Dude, I'm actually tired of this omegle, bro.
Why?
Cause all these girls, they keep telling me I'm hot, bro. But I'm just trying to record videos on here right now, alright? Like, that doesn't make for good videos, bro.
Bro, I hate that too, to be honest.
I hate when all the girls just tell me I'm hot. Bro, is this a common problem or is it just me? Like, I actually, like, genuinely, it gets annoying sometimes. It's like every 5 seconds. Like, I'm just trying to record and all these girls are like, "Yo, you're hot." And I'm just not having any of it. I just want to record, bro. Please, just let me record, bro. Just let me record, dog. It makes recording take forever, and then I have to edit through all of it, and it's pointless. Waste of my time. Just come tell me in real life. But half the time they don't even live in the United States. They're in like the UK or something. Pisses me off. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, you know. Watch another one somewhere on the screen. There'll be more. I think I'll put the playlist up actually over here. Instead of a single video, I'll put the playlist of all the videos. And obviously subscribe, please. I need it. But I'm tired. I hope you guys have a good night. And have a good rest of your week.